In this video, I will show you step by step how you can find trending hashtags for your Instagram account to grow and get more followers and more engagement and grow your Instagram page fast. Okay, so this will be an easy tutorial step by step. Let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your Instagram homepage, okay, and click on the search over here. Okay, click on the search, and over here in the search put a hashtag. So let's say, for example, your page is about cars. Okay, you are posting content about cars. I will put hashtag and I will create or write cars like this, and here you go. So those are the trending hashtags that people are using. You can see how many people are using this hashtag. Okay, it's almost 20 million people are using this hashtag. Okay, it's trending. This one is trending, cars without limits. Okay, this one hashtag cars also, it's the first trending hashtag. This one cars daily, it's also trending. This one cars 247 cars finsta, and so on. Okay, if you have, let's say, for example, you have a page about I don't know, maybe nature. Let's say, for example, about nature, put hashtag nature like this, and here you go, nature photography. Those are the trending hashtags. Okay, you can just use Instagram search to find trending hashtags that you can use for your post to get more followers and more engagement and grow your Instagram page fast. Okay, so just use Instagram search. Okay, you can see nature lovers. This hashtag also is a trending, so you should use those hashtags. Okay, let's say you have a page about maybe money. Okay, put hashtag money, and here you go. Okay, so that's how you can get trending hashtags for your Instagram page. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.